Scott, there's 3 men in the deep. Just past that first slip. It's not a bad ball.
All sliced away and will take some catching dive, nearly.
Trend that we've seen of early wickets in most of the innings is what's happened here.
Over, well and truly over, be 1 bounce 4. With mid-off up in the circle, a little bit of width, he's able to get his hands through it.
That's a quality stroke. Slightly over-pitched, hasn't looked to hit it too hard. The awareness of the fielder. Oh! It looks like he's just totally missed this, Dominic.
Well, he can't blame anybody else. Captain has made the mistake. Whether this just deviates a little bit, he's overrun it. 50 partnership as well came up as with that boundary and a couple of boundaries. So all of a sudden now, remember the position they got themselves in. They are now 77 for 4 off 12. Is this enough? Is enough.
Bit of air given, and he's just hit straight through the line. Back over the bowler's head. Long off was interested.
Goes all the way, and what a way to bring up the 100 partnership between these two. First 100 partnership.
And they've done it with a minimum of effort. That's short. It's not all that short. Very quickly onto it.
Oh, he's gone through.
He wants to attack the ball when there's no need. Needs to stay at the boundary. You don't have to be inside the boundary at third.
Plays it straight. And that's the 50 for Hasnain Majid. What a knock that is. He can raise his bat. He deserves to. That's a knock that he'll remember for a long time. And a standing applause from his mentor means a lot to him. That's high in the air. He'll take some catching. 2 fielders are coming under it. And the third one takes it from the deep.
Really good bowling. This was the target. He wanted him to go over mid-on. A brilliant catch. It had to take a catch like this to get Hasnain out by Farhan Yusuf in the deep. Made no mistake. Excellent catching. These are not easy to grab on. But what a knock from Hasnain Majid. 50 of just 38 deliveries under pressure. Gujranwala 143 for 5.
What do you think he's telling him?